All right. Thank you everybody for taking a look at this video. This is a short video that I will be showing you what we'll be learning in this 100 days accelerated front-end development program. So this is going to be a 100 days program. We'll be learning JavaScript, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, Git and GitHub, React and Next.js, and of course HTML and CSS. So, of course, when you get the link to this page, you can go on and read more about this. But what I want to show you is this. This has 100 sessions, all right? And each day we will doing a session, right? So every day you're going to be watching a recorded video. Now, this is day 1. This is day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay, from day 1 to day 10, we'll be doing HTML and CSS. All right. And from day 11 to day 30, we'll be doing JavaScript deep dive. From day 31 to 40, we'll be doing TypeScript basics, 41 to 50 GitHub, and so on. So every day, there will be recorded video for you to watch. All right. Let's say now we want to talk about variables. All right. There will be a video for you to watch on variables. So after watching this video on variable, at night by 9 p.m., we will now have a live class. For those things that you didn't understand during the day when you were watching this video or taking this class, you are going to now ask those questions in the live class. So the live class will be more of a question and answer session. And then, of course, it's like we're having 2 classes. During the day, you take this one. At night, we will also talk about the same thing. And this would actually help you, make you understand whatever we are talking about. Okay? You understand it better. So now if you look at what we have here, now we are looking at HTML and CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Git and GitHub, Tailwind CSS, React, and Next.js. If you look at most front-end development courses out there, you cannot get these things. You hardly get these things. You hardly, all right? You hardly get these things. And of course, we'll be building some projects, but before I show you the projects we'll be building, let's go to ChatGPT, all right? I asked ChatGPT some questions. You know, this is like a third party here. Let it not be that say we are just trying to send our course. I asked ChatGPT, what skills do I need to have to land my first front-end developer job? Now, the thing is this, you need to get a job, all right? Once you learn what this thing, you need to get a job so that you can start building because you need money. This is a career that demands money. Your data, your other courses that you're going to be buying, you need to survive. So you need to get a job. And after this 100 days, we guarantee you that you can apply for any job and you'll be confident to go for their interviews because we are going to be teaching you what employers are looking for. So now these are the skills ChatGPT said you should have. It said you should know HTML, semantic structure, forms, and accessibility. You should know CSS, the layout, the animation, the responsive design. You should know JavaScript, DOM manipulation, fetch API, array methods, arrow functions, async, and await functions. Then you should also know front-end libraries like React.js. All right. You should also have Next.js as a bonus. And if you look at what we have, if you go back to what we are learning, you see that we have Next.js. So from the 81 to 100, we are teaching you Next.js with Tailwind and TypeScript. Okay. So, all right. It says starting frameworks. You should learn Tailwind CSS or Bootstrap. We'll be learning Tailwind CSS. All right. We'll be learning Tailwind CSS. It's actually faster than I have been using Tailwind CSS for a long time now. It's actually I prefer it to Bootstrap. Okay. Now you should also learn version control systems. We are doing Git and GitHub. If you look at it here, we have it here. We have Git and GitHub here. So these are the things you'll be learning, all right? Package management, we'll also be talking about package management when we start talking about React and Next.js, okay, when we are installing some third-party packages, okay? We'll also be doing testing. We'll still be testing our React applications. So if you go down here in this our React, you will see that we have on when we are building this blog project, we'll be doing some testing here. So on the 76, we'll be testing our React applications too. All right. So these are the skills. All right. ChatGPT said you should have, and deployment is also part of it. And we'll be deploying to Vercel. All right. All of our applications, you can see, we'll be hosting on Vercel. We'll be teaching you the Vercel hosting basics, and even when we are doing the e-commerce, we'll also be deploying to Vercel. All right, we'll be deploying to Vercel too. So these are the things you'll be learning. And you said your portfolio should have 3 to 5 projects. And from this 100 days project, you'll be building from here. The first project you will do is your portfolio homepage, which is the first project. Okay, the second project will be a quiz app. The third one will be a weather app. The fourth one will be a music streaming app. And the fifth one will be a movie app. So you also be doing blog. We also be building a blog system and also be building an e-commerce system. So we have like 6 to 5 projects here that you're going to be adding to your portfolio. All right. So these are the skills that you need. And that is what we have put together here to teach you. That's what we have put together here to teach you. If I also asked ChatGPT to create a CV for me, for a front-end developer, a CV for a front-end developer, and look at the skills, it's also aligned. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, React, Next.js, Redux, Tailwind, CSS, and Bootstrap, Git and GitHub, Visual Studio Code. Of course, we'll be using Visual Studio Code. We are not doing Figma because we are not designing, all right? Okay, so these Chrome Dev tools will not be in this package because it is somehow advanced a bit, all right? But we could also do something like that after this 100 days, all right? So 100 days is just more. We cannot put everything inside this 100 days, all right? So, but it is something that you can now build upon and you can learn all these things, but you need to understand the fundamentals first. So, Jest and React testing libraries. Automated testing is another thing we should also learn, but we'll be doing a bit of it in this 100 days program. Then we'll be deploying to Vercel. We'll be deploying to Vercel. And in your project, you should build projects. So you said have a portfolio website, have an e-commerce storefront, a blogging platform, and we have more to build. Okay, so you will need to get a job, no matter how small that job is. All right, no matter how small that job is. All right. So now this is the CV of a front-end developer, and these are the skills, and this is what we are teaching you. Although it is not going to be 100% here, but we are going to give you up to 70%. And then you will now have the foundation to build upon. And of course, even if you finish this program with us, consultancy is free. As long as you're once our student, as long as you have once patronized us, whenever you need you have any question, you need some guidance, we will always answer you. Okay, so you can see that you need to take this course. And look at the value you're going to be getting. This is more than the 50,000 naira we are telling you. This is more than it because, of course, to build a website for somebody, you're charging 100,000, 200,000 naira. To get a job as a front-end developer, 150, 200K. And you're getting this for just 50,000 naira. Okay? So, now let's go to Upwork. Let's see some jobs that are available at Upwork. All right, you can see this one was just posted 9 minutes ago. All right, look at it. It is a front-end development job, CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. These are the skills needed to build this application, and React and Tailwind CSS. Look at it, React and Tailwind. All right, so if I expand this now, you might see, if I expand this and go to the description, it says React and Tailwind. All right, so that's what this one needs. All right, React and Tailwind. And this will be paying between up to $13 per hour for this job. Okay, so if we look at this one is Next.js. This one is Next.js. So you're still going to be learning Next.js. Look at it. You'll be learning Next.js, and this is between $15 to $35 dollars per hour. And you'll be learning Next.js here. Look at it. You'll be learning Next.js here too. You'll be learning Next.js here, and you'll be building an e-commerce application. So that means you can apply for this job when you finish this program. All right. This one wants React, okay, and it's a $3,000 job. $3,000 job. Okay, this one Next.js, JavaScript, and this one is full stack. And let me tell you something. With Next.js, you can build a full stack application. In short, this platform that you're using to learn now, I built it with Next.js, React, and Next.js. Do you understand? So Next.js will give you that full stack framework. All right. This one is React Native. We are not doing React Native. So you can see that these are jobs that are available. JavaScript, React, CSS, HTML, TypeScript, HTML5. Okay. These are the things. Look at the skills that are available here. So what we are teaching you here are skills that are in demand for front-end developers. Okay, so make a very good decision. Make a very good decision. Okay, and then join this class. The registration will be ending very soon. All right, the registration will be ending very soon. So, and of course, we only need 10 people, and you have to be fast with this so that you can actually get a slot into this class. Thank you very much. And if you have any question, please reach back to me. All right, after watching this video, if you have any question, reach back to me so that I can clarify any doubt or any concern that you might have. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the class.